Hi friends, this is me Arikishan Jadhav. Today we are going to discuss about the topic name. So the topic name is the constructor in Java. So it will be discussed on the date of 12 February 2024 on the day of Monday. So let's start with our topic. The topic is what is a constructor. So constructor is nothing but which is used to initialize the object. That's main constructor is nothing but it is a work like a class. Suppose we are use constructor to initialize the variable, instance variable. Like suppose constructor is nothing but which is used for to initialize the object. So generally it is used for to initialization of object. So object is nothing but instance of class. So the instance of class, that's mean it is a part of class. So constructor, when we are creating a constructor, so constructor name should be same as the name of class. So constructor is a it is a look like a method, but it works are different. So there are generally two types of constructors. So first one is a default constructor, or second one is a parameterized constructor. So default construction, that means when you are not passing the default constructor is already present in our system. That means suppose we are not passing any parameter to the constructor. That time our default constructor get automatically called. So one parameterized constructor, that means we are passing some argument or parameter into that constructor, and that will be initialized with the help of object we are initialize them. So constructor name should be same as the name of class. So class is nothing but blueprint, template, or logic oriented. So the name of our constructor which is creating, that should be same as the name of class. So constructor is mostly used for to the initialize the object. So initialization of object is created by constructor or other way. So constructor is nothing but it is a part of our code. So when we want to initialize some instance variable, or any type of variable which we want to initialize them, with the help of constructor we can initialize them. Or suppose we are want to initialize the instance variable. That time we are using this keyword. Suppose when we take one condition, that condition is our instance variable or our local variable value is same. And suppose we are want to initialize the instance variable, that time we can use constructor this keyword, and this keyword are generally associated with instance variable. And suppose we are call another constructor, so it will be helpful for us that the another constructor getting called, because of our one constructor is depend on another constructor. So it will be with the help of this keyword we can call the another constructor. So it will be very great using this keyword, or this keyword is already present in our system. It is already predefined in our system. So these all are the uses of constructor. The first one is constructor are used for to initialization of object. Second one, there are two type of constructor: default constructor or parameterized constructor. Or using this keyword we can call a constructor, or we can initialize the instance variable. So in general, constructor are used for to initialization of object. So suppose and we want to initialize the variables of any type. That time we will be always prefer for constructor. So constructor are basically used in Java to initialization of the object. Initialization of object that's mean we are initialize them into our code. So the main purpose of constructor is to initialization of object. So this is all about the constructor, and the all topic is covered in this video. Thank you.